Hello from Mindpads. TOK Essay Topic Number 1. Knowledge acquisition is more recognition than judgment. KQ number 5. What is the relationship between recognition and judgment? According to the recognition heuristics, when an individual only recognizes one of the two items, the individual will judge the recognized item to be greater in whatever dimensions are positively correlated with recognition. The recognitions of existing personal experience are intertwined with deep emotions, beliefs, personal truths, including prejudices and biases. On the contrary, recognitions may also turn out to be transformational processes of the pre-existing. Judgment accompanies recognition in both adhering and changing stances of our subjectivity. For the complete discussion of this topic, read more at Mindpads.org. KQ number 6. Do recognition and judgment work together or are exclusive of each other for the acquisition of knowledge? Even though the fast and frugal approach of recognition heuristics claims that individuals use non-compensatory strategies in judgment, that judgment sometimes relies solely on recognition, further studies have indicated the existence of other cues that could also lead to similar judgments. Rats and mice have shown using recognition through taste and smell on their peers, tendency known as neophobia, for their preferences. The recent research also suggests that recognition heuristics is used in a more adaptive way with every recurrence. Even from the moral and ethical standpoints, the judgment and decision making mostly depend on recognition of pre-existing knowledge. KQ number 7. Is it possible that acquisition of knowledge is neither recognition nor judgment? The theory of knowledge contributes most of the knowledge acquisition through experience or perception. However, studies in science of human nature, mostly in behavioral genetics, on twin and adaptation studies, suggest genetic influence on personal characteristics, including thought and behavior. This innate knowledge is genetically inherited and known without any process of recognition and or judgment. It is like an automated version, wherein even an animal knows, for instance, to immediately walk after it is born. In addition to the genetic influences, linguists, evolutionary and cognitive scientists have argued in favor of the instincts and capabilities shaped by evolutionary adaptations. KQ number 8. Which AOK, area of knowing, involves more recognition than judgment, and vice versa? In the area of human and natural sciences, where recognition rests mostly on evidence derived from sense perception and interpreted and inferred based on reason, the knowledge acquisition leaves very less room for judgment. Whereas in arts, religion, and ethics, recognition is usually founded on the ways in which the subject's mind organizes and structures the external world, derived from pre-existing assumptions and biases with the interplay of faith, imagination, language, and emotion. The process of recognition itself plays a larger role of judging as earlier described in the recognition heuristics. So can we say that a larger part of recognition is itself judgment in these areas of knowledge? That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For the complete discussions of all these knowledge questions, do visit us at mindpads.org or write to us at mindpads.org@gmail.com.